So this is Devonshire Road, so it's just near Bisbee Village, and you can see it's all been cordoned off, unfortunately. So I'm just going to zoom in. I don't think we can get a lot, but I'll just zoom in now. And good morning, everybody. So we're going to start the video off in a bit of a different location today. So we're starting it off in Bisbee, and the reason being is because it looks like there's been a major accident and it's all closed off on Devonshire Road in the Bisbee area. So I'm going to show you what is actually happened, and also I'm going to be saying that magical word for that competition running today. So it's all going to be going off in this video. So first of all, I'm going to show you what's happened on Devonshire Road. So this is Devonshire Road, so it's just near Bisbee Village, and you can see it's all been cordoned off, unfortunately. So I'm just going to zoom in. I don't think we can get a lot, but I'll just zoom in now, and you can see it looks like there's been a major possibly car accident or something, and so I'm not sure there's any fatalities or anything like that, but yeah, it's completely cordoned off on Devonshire Road as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to whip around the other side and just see if I can see anything that side as well. So like I said, this is in Bisbee, and it's all cordoned off at the moment. So I'm just going to pop around the other side and see if I can see a little bit more. So we're just on the street just adjacent to Devonshire Road. I'm going to whip up this little street as well. So I don't think this street's ever been videoed, so it's not a street or sort of busting like, but you can see in the distance the water tower as well, which is located, I think that's the highest point in Blackpool as well, so they say. So I mean, I never sort of go up to the police or emergency services and ask them what has happened, but you know, on the camera, shall I say. But I've just popped to that as a gentleman, a police officer in the van, and obviously off camera. I just asked him what had happened, and he said unfortunately it's a motorcycle accident involving a motorcyclist, and it's quite bad, but no one has lost a life or anything like that. So you can see it's there's the accident there, and which is it's not a good sign in crashes and things. But yeah, you can see the motorcyclist just over there, and what a shame as well, which is just off Devonshire Road. So he did say it's going to be blocked off for quite a while as well. So you can see, I'll just zoom in a little bit now, so you can see it's a bit of a bad one. It looks like the car has been coming around the corner and went straight into the motorcyclist. So we're going to move on. Like I said, it's just off Devonshire Road, so it will be closed for a while, they said as well. So I'll keep you posted for any updates as well throughout the day. And I always get the Land Rovers, and especially the old ones. It's a bit of a passion of mine. You see how old this one is. Look at that. So it looks like it's been converted as well, actually, in the back. So it's always a bit of an interesting one. So I always like old vehicles as well. That's a great one as well, isn't it? That's been totally converted, that one. So we're gonna pop into town because I want to get onto the competition, which I was given a bit of a free giveaway. And at the moment, it's I think it's tea for two at the ballroom at Blackpool Tower. So like I said, we're going to head on to town, and I'll say that magical words. I'll keep posted. Like I said, this is just changing the subject again. This is an area you never see, because people never video things like this. This is just in Bisbee as well, just off Inver Road. So like I said, we're going to pop into town and just see what's going on there. So just popped into to town now. Before we start having a bit of a look around town, see what's going on, just to sort of have a few thoughts about the people involved and their families in that tragic crash this morning on Devonshire Road. Yeah, if everyone is thoughts and prayers on a speedy recovery on everyone who was involved as well. So yeah, like I said, we'll have a bit of a look around Blackpool. Hopefully it doesn't dampen our spirits too much from this morning. But yeah, we'll have a look around and see what's going on. And what better place to start the sort of next chapter in the video off than the comedy carpet itself. So you see it's right just next to Blackpool Tower there. You can see the iconic tower as well there. So we'll whip back down to the comedy carpet because I think there's some sort of I don't know if it's like a demonstration or something going on. But we'll have a bit of a look closer and see what is going on just at the front of the comedy carpet. So it looks like some sort of demonstration as well, what's going on there. And you can see all those involved as well. So I'm a bit of I won't get too close. I don't normally get involved in sort of demonstrations and things. I normally tend to stay a bit neutral. You can, yeah, so it's all going on today. So you can see how busy Blackpool is. So it's about 2 o'clock, I'll say, just before 2 o'clock, and you can see everything and everybody is starting to come down to the prom and the beach, and yeah, just enjoying themselves once again, making the most of this spectacular weather. And I'll just show you as well. You see the beach patrol there, weaving through to and from, or to in and out, shall I say, in and out of the crowds of people as well. So they're just making their pre-inspections, see if everybody's okay as well. So yeah, what a lovely day. So I will be saying that magical word as well. So keep your ears posted. And like I said, if you do get the word, just pop in the comments when, and I will message you back with a number, and then tomorrow we'll be going live at 2 p.m, so stay tuned. 2 p.m, I'll be asking a random member of public to pick a number out. If that's your number, and then you've won a fantastic prize. And at the moment it's tea for two, I believe, at the ballroom at Blackpool Tower. See the seagulls lining up for their dinner once again. So you can see the Coral Island as well, and then we got the Golden Mile as well, which is just there behind that bus. It's always great when you see Blackpool so busy, especially on the beach as well. So I can't see the donkeys actually riding today. In fact, I can. There they are. They're straight ahead. There's about 8 of them. It's like they're being walked. So the donkeys are on as well. So you can see the tides out as well. And, yeah, always great seeing Blackpool so busy. So looks like something's could be happening, because we got a couple of officers heading towards the beach. So we're gonna go and follow them, see what's been going on. Which is which is not the best. So you can see they're in search for somebody. And you see the sirens in the background as well. So we'll just take a break and have a quick look, see what we can see what's going on. You see the little ice cream stores as well. All the little stores are they're out in Blackpool, and they sell like sunglasses and all sorts as well. You see they got the deck chairs out as well today. So that's looks like they're getting a regular thing now, because they did vanish for quite some time. You see the kites as well, little kite stand, and yeah, snow cones. So you've got it all. So there you go. Just pan the camera around. So you fancy grabbing a little kite, and into that little kite store as well. Traditional ice cream. So like I say, the little stores, they're fantastic. As you can see there, traditional ice creams as well. So a bit of a look. There's a coach park there. So that's I think that's something to do with the NHS as well. So just back near Caroline, is heading back a bit more towards the north. You see the police are back out there, and they've got the van doors open. So something has gone on. Somebody's been a bit of a naughty person. So what everyone's been waiting for, if you have been waiting for, the magical word is golden. So golden. So if you do get that word, pop a comment in, put win, and I will reply with a number. You get in the draw, and then you could win that fantastic prize as well. So if it is successful, do it each month as well. Just to say thank you to everybody and all my subscribers and everybody who watches the videos. So you can see, looks like the police. We'll just have a walk past. It won't stop, but we'll have a bit of a walk past. Something has gone on. So will they be arrested, or is it just a bit of a telling off? See, they're being spoken to there. Got a couple of quite a few police actually there. So yeah, we won't sort of stay too long. We'll keep moving, and yeah, see what else is going on in this fantastic, glorious day in one of the best resorts in the UK. And you can see we've even got police just above the beach line as well. So it looks like it's all been going off today in Blackpool, so they've been very, very busy. So let's have a bit of a walk through on the way back. You see the demonstrations are still very much active, and you see they got the old horns and all things going as well. So I'll just show you a little bit closer as well. So it's all to do with looks like ex-hell bullies. So just stepping away from the Promenade for a little while, and just thought I'd just see how busy the town centre is, and the streets and shops things are, which I never normally do. I know a lot of people do, but I don't normally sort of do the streets and things. But yeah, you can see it's getting quite busy. See, that's Hounds Hill and the Winter Garden straight up there. Just pan the camera around. See Old Bank Street as well. So it is getting quite busy as well, which is it's always good for local businesses. I'll show you around the outside as well. So it's So there's probably things going on in the winter garden. You see people going to the main doors and that. So there's always something going on there, which is absolutely fantastic. See the little shops as well. So all the little goodies I've mentioned many a time as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget hit the like button, consider subscribing, and if you haven't heard about the competition, new to this channel, go and check the community post out, and also Facebook. The link and everything is on my channel for a chance to win. So until next time, take care, and it's a bye from me.